See? Basecrete in Hollywood. So this is the application of the Basecrete to the cold joint of your basement anywhere in America. We have removed everything loose, swept, cleaned. So we're applying to a clean surface. Doesn't need to be clean that you can eat off of it, but it does need to be clean, free of any dust or dirt. And we're gonna roll out a coat of Basecrete. See the thickness of the mixture, the thickness shake. This is after the torrential rainfall that we had in New York City, which was all over the news. This whole area got 2-3 months worth of rain in one day. So this basement had some water coming in through the cold joint that flooded through this wall here into the living space.
Déjalo, le voy a aventar a Carlos.
Déjalo, Carlos.
Voy a echar a tu pastor, vas a ver.
We're going to be applying the 9-inch mesh that's going to get folded roughly in half into this Basecrete application, so it's embedded in the Basecrete, but you want the Basecrete directly on the concrete, so you get the full adhesion benefits of the material.
Hollywood Crunchyangos.
Bien que entiendes, ¿verdad?
Let's keep it clean.
Ahorita que me abrocha, para que él le explique que son de dos maneras de cómo hacerlo.
Alright, now we're going to be applying the Basecrete fiberglass mesh, which comes in your BRK50 kit, and embedding it in the Basecrete. Take a brush.
Basically.
Or a roller. In this case, we're using a brush. Just brushing another coat of Basecrete right over the top of the mesh.
Sí, para que se vea bien, bien. ¿Usamos dos brochas? Yo creo que sí, ¿no? Ahora sí. A ver, échale la pura esquina nomás. Para estirarlo. ¿Ahí va bien? Sí.
So you were applying into the joint first, and then on the rest of the application.
¿Cómo?
No tiene la mano. Mira,
¿Estos pueden venir con la cámara?
Y pueden para sangre por sangre.
Yo creo que ya me lleva más. Te va a venir a echar dos, no, aquí puedes coger el bolillo, ¿sí? No, hay que darle.